That didn't work so well. Welcome to... Hi everyone, welcome to Pal to Tech. One of the biggest selling points of the Fujifilm X-T2 and particularly the X-T3 camera is the ability to really step up your video production. Now, say you have the X-T3 and you want to use it regularly in a fixed location such as a studio, or perhaps you're starting up a YouTube channel. You've got the camera on a tripod, you're all plugged in, you're ready to go, and then bam! You're slapped in the face with the cold, hard reality of recording time limits. With the Fujifilm X-T3, that recording time cutoff is approximately 30 minutes. So the solution to this is an external monitor that records. Whether you're using an Atomos Ninja 5 or some other way of recording your HDMI video out, here's the secret I found to get unlimited shooting time, plus there's a gotcha. Okay, so you want to go into video mode, then on page, I think it's page 3, scroll all the way down until you get to 4K movie output. If you have it on the top one, it's going to record 4K on the SD card and through the HDMI output. So you'll get both, which is really nice if you want a backup. The second one down, you get 4K to the SD card and regular HD to the HDMI. Third one down is the opposite. You get HD to the SD card and 4K to the HDMI. Now, it's the last one that you want. This one right here, you get nothing for SD card and 4K for HDMI. Now, at first glance, that might seem a little weird. Why would you ever want to do that? Why not have that SD card backup? Any of those other modes, and the camera will shut off after 30 minutes, even if you're recording on an external monitor. But if you put it in that fourth one, where it's not recognizing or saving to the SD card, and instead going straight from HDMI out into your external monitor, the camera will record Untell. But if you do that, don't forget to also go into those other settings and make sure that you have auto shut off set to never, right? You kind of have to have both of those things configured. I hope this video has been helpful for anyone wanting to extend their video recording time on Fujifilm cameras. If you like the video, be sure to give it the like and subscribe, and I will see you in another video very soon. Probably the X-T4 announcement video. Whoa! I can't wait until next week! So long.